Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope your day is going fantastic. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I have a super fun project to share with you. We're using the Simon Says Stamp September 2025 card kit. It's so much fun. It's called Birthday Blitz. And we're going to make a birthday card that's kind of a special birthday card. We're going to make a little birthday card with a hidden treasure on it. I'm using one of the die sets that came in our kit, stamp set, embossing folder, pattern papers, and even our A2 panels. And really the only thing you need to bring in is some glue and maybe a little bit of embellishing sequins, and that's it. So let's jump in and get started. First off, we're going to be doing some die cutting using our Poppin' Corn die. We're going to use the A2 panels in our kit this month to do our die cutting, and then I also brought in an A2 panel of white cardstock. Okay, with our Poppin' Corn die set, we're going to create a background using this die here with our red cardstock. Okay, and then with this yellow, with the darker yellow, I'm going to die cut out a circle. With the lighter yellow, we're going to cut out our popcorn, and I'll do 3 sets of these. We're going to have lots of popcorn on our card today. And then this here is an insert that you add to this to create the stripes on our little popcorn box. So I'm going to cut out this with white cardstock with the insert, okay, and I'm also going to die cut it out with the circle in here. So when I cut out the front of my popcorn box or the front of my popcorn container, it's going to have a circle in it, okay? So, and then I'm also going to die cut out a outline, maybe 2 of these with white cardstock. All my die cutting is done, and I did do a little ink blending on my popcorn just to give it a variety of color. We're just going to add a little bit of color to one edge of the popcorn. We're going to add lots of butter. I love butter. I love buttering my popcorn. Now what we're going to do is build our popcorn container. We're going to take our white stripes. I'm going to add some glue behind here. I'm going to layer my stripes right over my red cardstock. And how cute is this? It's like the perfect size. Now, before we add this, in our stamp set, there are some hearts. I'm going to take the smallest one here, and we're going to stamp a heart in that circle there. Let me grab an acrylic block, and I'm just going to use my Nocturne ink. Maybe we should do white. No, we'll do black. I think black will be nice and bold. Let's stamp this with black. So we have a cute little heart there. And then using my glue, we're just going to insert this inside the circle. Just making sure that heart is straight. Okay, now with this piece here, I'm going to flip over my popcorn container, and then I'm going to add glue, a thin bead of glue on the left and the right. We're going to make this a pocket, and then on the bottom. So left, right, bottom, and then we're going to take this piece and we're just going to add it to the back here. Give that a minute to grab. Okay. And then we have a cute little popcorn pocket. Okay, now with this piece, I'm going to use my scissors, and I'm going to trim off a little from the bottom and angle up. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Trim a little bit off the bottom and angle up. Let me show you. Sometimes it's easier to see in reference if it's right next to it. So I took a little bit off the left and the right. And the reason I did this is so I could actually stick this inside the pocket. And then now what we're going to do is add some popcorn. I do want a couple pieces of popcorn for the bottom of my card, so we're going to keep these 2 off to the side. The rest of these we're going to add to the very top here. like so. Just covering that scalloped edge. Okay, and then with the rest of them, I put some small foam squares behind here, and then we're going to add a little dimension to these popcorn pieces. Before I add my last piece of popcorn, I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to bring in a stamp set. This is a stamp set from Spellbinders. It's called Take Action. And if you have one of the stamp sets that say pull here, you could use that. But I'm going to use an arrow that has a curvy element to it, just so the recipient knows to pull up on the little popcorn piece. So I'll bring back my ink here. And then I'm going to add a little arrow to this popcorn, just like that. And then we can add our last piece right on top. Okay, and then we're going to take this. You can write any kind of message you want. You could stamp a message in there. So much fun that you could do with this little pocket. And then look how cute this is. So the recipient knows to pull. And that is our cute little pocket. So fun. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side, and now we're going to work on our background. So my background's going to be pretty easy. In our A2 panels, we have some teal colored cardstock. There's two teals. I'm going to take the darker. Oh well. Yeah, I'm going to take the lighter teal here. And then with our embossing folder, let's emboss this. I'm going to spray mine with a little bit of water. And then I will run this through my die cutting machine, and I will be right back. I just think this looks fabulous. This is going to make a fabulous background. Now I'm going to bring in my paper trimmer, and I'm going to trim a little bit off of the left and the right, just a little bit. I don't want to interfere with the greetings. So we'll just take a little bit off the right. I'll flip it around, and I want to take a little bit off the left. Wonderful. And then while I have my paper trimmer out too, I'm going to take our black cardstock that was in our A2. Let's see. I think I saw black in here. Yes, I'm going to take the black cardstock, and I'm going to trim some very thin strips. Okay. So I have two very thin strips of cardstock for this. And then in our paper pack, there are some stripes. I saw some, here we go, some red and white stripes. So I'm going to take this and just trim a little bit off the top, and then I'm going to trim about 1/4 of an inch. A nice striped paper strip here. Okay, on my card base, we're going to adhere this strip. We're going to add this to the left. And then I'm going to take my embossed panel. We're going to add some glue behind here. And we're going to tack this down to the front of our card, all the way to the right, just so a little bit of that striped paper is showing. Okay, now we're going to bring in our white pigment ink from Simon Says Stamp, and I'm going to add some white over our embossed panel. Some areas are raised more than others. Lovely. Okay. Now, while this is drying, you're probably wondering what we're doing with these strips. Well, we're going to bring back our pattern paper, and let's see, there, I saw some tags in here. Let's find them. Here we go. On this sheet here, there are some flags. We're going to cut out these flags. There's one that says yay, and then there's one that says fun. Okay, we'll put this to the side. I'm going to use my scissors and fussy cut out both of these flags. Now that our flags are fussy cut out, what I'm going to do is attach them to those strips of black cardstock. The paper wants to curl, but once you add the flag, it helps flatten it out. Let's go ahead and add this one. So now we have two little flags. If you ever want to know what to do with those smaller cut-aparts, this is a super fun thing to do. I'm going to take my little popcorn pocket, and I did put foam tape behind it. When you do this, make sure you put it just behind the pocket piece, not this white part here, just the pocket, okay? And we're going to add it. Let's add it at an angle. I think that would be really fun. And then with our little flags, you could glue them down, but I'm just going to trim the bottom a little bit. And I'm just going to tuck them in the pocket. I'm going to actually scoot my pocket down a little bit. Another thing that you could do is, rather than use black cardstock, you could actually use toothpicks. That would be super fun. Add the little flags to toothpicks. And then, or you could use some wire. I think that would be fun too. Okay, now let's stamp our greeting. Let's take in our stamp set. I'm going to stamp the greeting that says birthday wishes. I'm going to use my Simon Says Stamp VersaFine Clear Nocturne ink. We'll just ink up our greeting. I'm going to stamp it on a strip of white cardstock. Lovely. Block it off here on the end. We're going to put our greeting down here in this bottom corner, and this is kind of floating over here, so to help it not float, I'm going to put a piece of popcorn underneath it, kind of help land it. Wonderful. Okay, and then that will be, and then that is my first card. We could, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to actually glue down these flags here. Let's add a little glue. We'll tack them. This way, when you pull out the popcorn, the flags will go with it. But there's still room for a little bit of a message here. There we go. There we go. I think that is so fun. If you wanted to add a little bit of yellow ink under here, you could also. Lastly, I finished off my card by adding a few sequins. I'm using the Simon Says Stamp Starbright Embellishment Mix. I think it's a nice neutral sparkle. These are all the same size, and I just love the way they look on here. But that finishes off my card project today. A super fun pocket card. I think the recipient will really love. And I thank you so much for joining us today. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for sticking with me to the end. I have 2 more videos that you guys might be interested here. If you guys are new and like the content that you see, click that subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way for future videos, be notified. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It sure does help the channel. Have a wonderful day. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.